Hi guys, so mag-e-experiment tayo ngayon. So ito, naka-experiment na ako, o diba? Green na siya. Ito yung dinidissolve ko, guys. Gamot kasi may sipon ako. Ayan. Ganyan, guys. I-crack na lang natin siya. Ay lang. Ang tigas pa lang niya. Oh. Hindi ako nagdi-disgust First time ko na ganito. Smells so good. So cool. Anti-sugar siya. Ayan. Ang bango niya, guys. Actually, wala siyang amoy. Wait lang, tignan ko mo yung group chat. Meron pa rin siya, guys. Tapos, ang laki pa ng chunk. So, let's go. Alisin natin. Oh! Hindi ako nagsasayang, ha? Para sa akin, di naman to. May sipot ako. Ako sabi niyong magsasayang ako. Magsasayang ako ng gumot. No! This is for me. Ito ako mag-dissolve. Wait lang. Okay guys, so tinanong ko kung pwede mag-ano daw ng hot water. Pero bawal, kaya para mag-ano. Tapos sabi ko din kung pwede din mag-ano lagay ng sugar. Pero ito daw, bubuksan daw natin. Para pag ininom ko yung gamot, ang yummy. Para ano, wala daw ako malasa. Okay, malapit na siyang ma-dissolve, guys. Dissolve.
First, go to the supermarket to get a big net. Then, go to a zoo to look for a hippopotamus. When the zookeeper fits it, quickly use your net to grab the watermelon. Bring the watermelon home and use chopsticks to take the seeds out.
Ayun.
Eat the seeds and they will enter your tummy. Drink some water and the seeds will grow into unlimited watermelons. Now you will always be full with watermelon. Subscribe. Yay! Stop, bro! Stop! Oh my god! 10 out of 10. So hard. Oh my god! I love it now! I colored them last night. Oh! Let's do the selfie! Selfie time! Second.
Okay. It's starting to smell yucky.
Smooth like butter! Oh my god! Wow!
Ala, na-dissolve na siya, guys. Wait lang. I'll just get some normal water. Okay, guys. Here is the cold water. Normal water. Paano to? Paano to? Ganon? Ganon? Wait. Okay, guys. So, my sister is gonna help me out. I'm scared. Is that mine? Oh. Ayan guys, na-dissolve na siya. Okay. Ready. Set. Go. Ay. Ano daw? Oo nga, experience naman eh. Charis. Kinain mo yung sa akin? Hindi. Bilis. Ilagay mo.
Kainin mo.
Okay, ready? Jasmine. Set. Wait lang, pray muna tayo ha. Okay, kakatapos lang natin mag-pray. Go na! Go na, go na, go na! Okay, ready! Ready! Set! Go. Go. Kaya natin ito, okay? Jasmine, ilagay mo na. Hindi ko nalasa. Go. Nawala agad lasa. Yaki. Ang pait. No. Wow. Not that bad. Not that bad. It's bad. Ah. Wala.
Fun! Let's go to the store, okay? So hard to stand up. Humans have no knees in this world. Ouch! I cannot bend my leg. Long the bridge is falling. $100. Oh, I want it. It's mine. I'm gonna reach it first. My bum crack. Ouchie! I'm gonna party. I'm gonna snatch them all.
Bye, guys.